What's up, everybody? Today we are in Mazatlán and I am here with my good friend Elba. Hola.
Hola.
¿Cómo estás?
Muy bien aquí.
¿Y qué vamos a hacer hoy?
Vamos a hacer Marlin ranchero. Marlin.
Y
Tortillas a mano.
tortillas. And she's gonna make the tortillas. Well, I'm gonna learn with her how to make real Mexican tortillas from scratch. But first, we gotta hit the Mercado. We're gonna buy everything that we need and then we'll be back right here. ¿Qué vamos a comprar en el mercado?
Vamos a comprar Marlin y tomate, chile poblano, cebolla y ajo.
Okay. And then we'll be back here and we are going to start making food from scratch. I'm super excited. Okay, nos vamos. Vamos. We are heading to the Mercado, but first we stopped here to get some corn dough. I will show you the dough once we get it, and now we're gonna go and grab everything that we need to make tortillas. So let's do this. Okay, so right now we're gonna go buy the fish, the marlin, which we're gonna make the tacos, the tortillas with. Come on in. So right now we are at the fish market and we are about to buy marlin. This is a fish which we are going to make the tortillas with. So I'll take you on with me to show you exactly how we're buying all these products. And these are all fresh. You know, Mazatlán is known for seafood, fish. We are obviously a sea town, and this is very common here and very popular to eat fish here. Okay, so right now we're buying fruits and vegetables. So I'm here with Elba. Elba. Okay, beautiful. Okay, so now we are done with the Mercado. We are going to go to Elba's house right here, and she's gonna go get the cajeta, which is basically an item that you use in order to do the tortilla. So let's go in. Wow! Wow, this is original.
Sí, mi mamá. Yes, sí.
This is what we need for the tortillas. Así es tortilla. Ajá. Ajá, como marhuecos también. ¿Y el otro manera? Ajá. Mira que. Muchas gracias.
Yes, sí.
Right now, we just came out from Elba's house. So we got a molcajete that's gonna help us with making the tortillas. And the family was so nice and it was a great time. So now we're heading back to the house and we'll show you exactly how we're making those tortillas. This is the dough to make the tortilla. Yeah. Okay, Elba, tell me more about what do we have here. What did we bring from the Mercado?
Okay. Marlin.
Okay.
Para hacer el marlin a la mexicana.
Okay, that's fish. Pescado.
Es pescado.
Uh-huh.
Pescado. Y vamos a hacer tortillas. La
Okay.
masa de maíz.
So this is real
Maíz.
dough.
Ajá, maíz.
This is dough.
Y se va a usar unas hojas para hacer las tortillas.
Okay.
Y tomate para hacer cuadritos, todos en cuadritos, para hacerlo mexicano junto con el ajo.
Okay, and we have
Y el
tomate.
chile poblano.
Chile
Y
poblano, it's not spicy.
es no spicy.
Okay, bueno.
Sí es spicy.
Pero un poco de eso.
Sí.
Y
Es para la salsa.
ese es para la salsa.
Sí, estos son para la salsa.
Ujú.
Se va a asar y se va a hacer aquí.
Bueno, entonces nos vamos.
Vamos.
Vámonos.
Vámonos.
So in the end, this is the result. This is the marlin fish that's been shredded. So we are done here with this. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do now is to cut the vegetables. I'm obviously going to help, but I know she knows better than me, so I'm just gonna follow the instructions. But we're gonna cut everything now, and then I'll tell you what's next. So right now she's cutting the chile poblano, that is not spicy. Chile poblano. Love this. So here we're waiting for this to be soft so then we can grind it, I guess, and by hand. I'll show you in a second. And now Elba is cutting the onions. Right now we are going to cook the vegetables all together because that's going to be used in the fish. So todos
Primero se va a hacer el ajo y la cebolla.
So onion and garlic first. Okay, we let it cook for 1 minute, and at the same time we have the tomatoes who are roasting over there.
Y el marlin.
Okay, and now we're putting the fish. Okay, so now we're gonna cook it for about 5 minutes. So the flavor from the garlic and onion is gonna be imprégné, comme on dit en français, in the marlin fish. So now,
Vamos a poner chile y tomate. Y cocina.
So we're now mixing the smoked fish with all the vegetables we put in. So tomato, garlic, onions, and green pepper. And then in the back, we have the tomatoes who are roasting. And we're gonna use this to grind it in this bad boy in a second. So I'm excited.
Sí, cuidado. Prueba de sal, por favor. ¿Está rico de sal? ¿Está perfecto?
Perfecto.
Okay.
No sal.
Okay.
Delicious! I think it's the smoked fish that makes it, that add the flavor of the salt. So no need to add salt or pepper. What are we doing now, Elba?
Vamos a poner el ajo y el chile.
So now,
Primero.
okay. So now we're putting the roasted tomato inside the cajete de mole.
Ajá, molcajete.
Molcajete. Cajete de mole. ¿Qué es eso? The molcajete, and then she's gonna start grinding it. Tú puedes. And oh, look at this. This is my turn. Oh, mierda. And we doing the same thing in Morocco. This is excellent thing.
Con muchas ganas.
Con muchas ganas. With a lot of happy emotion. I love doing this because, you know, in Morocco we do the same thing with so many. We do it with vegetables, and we also do the same for grains and for oil. And this is se siente muy bien. We already have the dough, and we're gonna make like we are,
Y le vamos a poner un poquito de harina para que esté suave.
Yeah, so we're gonna put a little bit of flour, so it's not too sticky.
Así.
So now we're putting a little bit of water in there. So now she's gonna start. Nice. I got memories. You know when we do lajin for the Arab people, it's called lajina. Okay, you're making little balls.
Depende de las tortillas que tan grandes las quieres. Así es.
Y
Pone
entonces,
aquí.
ajá.
Y luego se hace así.
So this iron place, it's not to get warm, it's just to flatten the tortilla. So we're gonna show you how we make it this way. So she's making a little ball, she's putting it on top of a plastic, and that's the easiest way to do it. And you press and bam! Muy fácil. It's a lot easier than do it with the hand. But it's just so cute. When the tortilla is cooked, I mean it's over, then we use in this little beautiful tortilla dish, and then we put the tortillas in here. My turn, everybody. I make a little ball, and when the ball is done, I'm gonna put it on the plate. I'm gonna show you. Just going to show you the two style. I put it here.
La bolita, así, aquí nada más.
Ah, no es con este.
No. Y así pegar.
Ah, pero tienes harina en tu mano porque me dice sticky.
Es normal, pero
Ajá.
Sí.
Well, hey, this is not easy. This is like a technique.
Le pegas y le vas dando vuelta con esta.
Yeah, she said she's got a technique. Well, it's very sticky, so it sticks on my hands. So in this is called the, ¿cómo se llama este?
Tortillera.
I guess a tortilla maker. And so I'm gonna take a little bowl of dough, and this is actually super easy. You just put the plastic so it doesn't stick. You put the ball in here, and then you flat it. You put the other plastic on top. You close it all the way. No. And then you use this to press it.
Exacto. ¡Ya!
Ah. I press it too hard. Pero es muy grande.
Okay. ¿Quieres más chiquito?
No, pero mostrarle cómo es.
Así.
There you go. So now the tortilla is done, and then we can put it on the pan. Once the tortilla is done, you pick up a tortilla that is warm. She said that you have to do it right after because it's still warm, and then you can put salsa and eat it as is, or you can put the marlin. The two don't mix normally. It's one or the other. Well, the salsa is just to add a little bit of flavor, and then you eat it like this, and you can put a little bit of cheese. I have cheese. I'm gonna put cheese on there. So first you finish the tortilla, and when it's going like this, it's good thing. That means they're cooking. And then after that, so your tortilla is warm, you can put it in this place to keep it warm. But what they recommend is that you take the tortilla right away, and then you put it right here. It's super hot. And then you're gonna add a little bit of marlin. We're gonna put the smoked fish in there. There we go. You're gonna eat it like a taco. Sí. ¿Y un poquito de salsa o no? ¿O después? In the salsa, it's really an add-on. If you want to add it, or you can put it on the side.
Así. Taco es así.
Ajá. Y así lo come. Sí. This is super hot, everybody. So once you put everything, you just eat it. Ustedes lo probamos.
Yo sé.
Rico, everybody. Alright everybody, so this is the end of this video. I'm here with Elba. Muchas gracias para todo. Muchas gracias para ayudarme a hacer las tortillas. So these were local typical tortillas made by a local person, Elba, who was amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yes, buen provecho. Buen provecho. Bye bye.